Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance subscribers. Two reasons why I bring this whole vibes at you, see me? One, it's because it's a good Sunday morning vibes. You know the whole Christian settings and all them things there, see? Yeah, you know, some people might worship Sabbath, but you know, it does, you know, it just really feel good still. It's just a Sunday morning setting. Now, the second thing is the main thing why I even bring this to you. The Jamaica youth, them full of talent. You see? I mean, look at this little youth, because by the way, this way right here so is like a 9-night setting, you know. Some people call it celebration of life, or what them call it in other countries, you know, something like that. But this in Jamaica known as a 9-night setting. And see how this little youth are deal with the drum. Me have to look on it and say, no man, the little youth are talented. All when the stick drop, you know. All when the stick drop, the little man, nah, he's up in the man that did it rough. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something again too. This little youth remind me of myself, you know. It's the same way I used to deal with drums when time I deal with the whole church settings. You know, I deal with church from like, cause look at this. You know, you have a mother and father, so there's like two sets of family. So one set of my family is like Sabbath, and the other set, you know, we just in the community, and there's a revivalist church, and we start go to the church till we end up start beating drum in the church. This is the thing go. Yeah man. So we just hope so we just find this a little bit amusing. You know, this video right here so just a show us the Jamaica youth them full of talent. And that's one of the main things, you see it? Alright, so anyways, you don't know, as I said, this is a Sunday morning settings, and for sure, you say the youth them have talent, two things in one. You don't know, just make me know to think about the whole thing when we just showed a while ago, you see? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?